If your N51, N52, N54 and N55 powered BMW develops squealing, loud or occasional light squealing, and it goes away when you remove the oil cap, it is almost all the time this membrane that fails that goes on the valve cover. Mine was just starting to make light squealing noises, and you can tell it has some small cracks, and the fix for this is a complete new valve cover. There's some kits that they sell with these. I don't think they're worth trying. Just get yourself a new OEM valve cover, replace it, and call it a day. This one has 125,000 miles, and this is the first time I'm replacing the valve cover. I did replace the gasket before at 70,000 miles because it started leaking.